This fly resulted in catching my largest steelhead to date, and today I'm going to show you how to tie it. To start this fly, we'll use some Vivas in orange. Bring your thread to the head of the fly and insert a lead-free wire. This step will help secure our tungsten bead in place. Helicopter the excess free and continue wrapping into the bend of the hook. We'll then start to build up a small thread dam, and we will use this in our next step. Grab some brown biots. Select 2 biots and put them into a V shape, securing them to the back of the fly. We'll take time to wrap back into the thread dam we just created. This will result in helping to splay out our biots in a V shape. We will then further secure our biots and start to build up a body transition. We'll then grab some hot orange brassy wire, securing it tightly to the hook shank and wrapping back towards our biots. We will then grab an orange vinyl D-rib, secure this to our body, wrapping back towards our biots. With this step complete, we will take the time to build up a nice smooth thread transition and begin wrapping our vinyl D-rib forward in closed touching spirals. Once we reach our thread, we'll secure, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind and snipping the excess free. We will then grab our brassy wire, wrapping it forward until we reach our thread. Secure tightly, taking wraps both in front as well as behind and helicoptering the excess free. Next, we'll select a small piece of uni mylar, this one is in pearl, and secure it to the top of our fly, wrapping back onto our vinyl ribbing. Then we'll grab a turkey tail, select about a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch section, securing it above our mylar. We will then grab some orange silicone legs, attaching them to either side of our fly and securing it tightly. Once complete, we'll use our scissors to snip them to length. We will then grab some dubbing. Here I'm using some orange ice dubbing. Create a dubbing noodle and wrap this tightly around our body, being careful not to trap the legs in the process. Continue wrapping your dubbing until you reach the head of the fly. Fold over our turkey tail, secure it, followed by our mylar. Once secure, we'll snip them free and whip finish to hold everything in place. Snipping your thread free once complete, we will grab some UV resin and paint this over the back of our fly. This step will add durability but also give our fly pattern a nice shine. Once happy, we will secure it in place with a UV light and finally brush it out to give it a nice buggy look. Many people ask if I would show the fish that I catch with these on the channel. While I don't show that here, you can find that on my other channel, linked here. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.